Richardson has a bag with 5 white marbles and 7 red marbles. And a marble is drawn at random and replaced. Then another marble is randomly drawn. What is the probability that the first marble will be red? So out of 12 marbles, what's the chance of 1 out of 12? Well, not 1, 5, right? Red, I can't read. 7, sorry. 7 out of 12. That's the probability the first one will be red, because it's 7 in the bag. And the second marble will be white, okay? And he replaced the marble, so it's still 12. If he didn't replace it, I'd have to say 11. But there's 5 white, okay? And nothing cancels here. I multiply the first probability times the second probability, and I get 35 over 144. And that's my chance right there, that's going to happen. Not 50-50, that's for sure. A lot less. So I could compare it, but it's in the neighborhood of 25% that's going to happen. So, the spinner shown is spun 4 times. What is the probability that the spinner stops on 4? Well, what's the probability of 4? Well, the probability of 4 is 1 out of 4. Because there's 4 spots on there's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's already numbered, but there's 4 places on the board. And so 4 has a 1 out of 4 chance. What's the chances for 2? Well, it's also 1 out of 4. What's the chances for 3? Well, it's also 1 out of 4. I'm pretty sure you can finish that. If you want it to be in that order, then it's each probability times all the rest. So David has a bucket with 5 yellow golf balls, 5 yellow, and 9 white golf balls. A ball is drawn at random and not replaced. And then another ball is randomly drawn. What is the probability that both are white golf balls? So the first probability is, how many are there altogether in the bucket? 14 balls. And so the first probability is 4 out of 14, or 5 out of 14. Boy, these numbers. 5 out of 14. And then he does not replace the ball. What does that mean? It means the number on the bottom is going to be 1 less. And by the way, one of the white balls is missing, so you can't count them. I think I was looking at the yellow number. It's 9. The first probability is 9 out of 14. What's the second probability? Because you need that. It's not going to be 9 anymore because you took one out and you didn't replace it. It's not going to be 14 anymore because you took one out and didn't replace it. Okay, so there we go.